crazy. I don't know what this is. Moving like it's moving pretty crazy right now. 91. Yeah, dude, that was nice. I don't know if we're gonna come back all the way down that, but this, I mean, this was a big move. What was that like? 190 points? No, 170 points. Jeez, in like a couple of minutes. What's up, Sam? Trying to get caught up today, man. Yeah, let's see, dude. I don't know if it's gonna come all the way back down here. I had this order open for a while at like 820, 817, and like 812. I mean, I want to see like, but that's like a long, wide retracement, you know. And what it does when it gets down here, I don't know. We could be looking at like 843 or something, 826. Well, you see, we get 820 a lot. 820 is, or that's not 820, 13, but J blocks are a funny thing, you know. Funny some J blocks, man, or not. I mean, you've been using J blocks, right? Monitor. What's it? We just gotta buy it. Yeah. This 58. I don't know, man. We'll see. That was kind of this move though was wild. Oops, I can't. Yeah. Oh my god, dude, I'm not clicking on it. Anyways, this I don't know what happened, dude. But I mean, I woke up at like 4:53, and I think I woke up for a reason. But then I didn't look at the charts. I sensed the move. See that? But like 4:56, and then so I finally did look at like 5:05, and it was like all the way up here. I'm like, what the hell? And then it just kept going. Yeah. Oh, what was that? 57 bounce. So we're getting some pretty good movement here. I don't know if we'll catch. Hopefully, we catch a good spot. Try like a 190, 591 long. I don't know what this M formation. I mean, usually that means like it goes down further. I think. Um, I don't think we're gonna. I don't know if we're gonna come all the way back down here, but damn, dude, that 57 to 900. It's kind of just a wild move. That overnight. Like, what was I? I was talking to you at like 9:30 because this range here. I'm like, what the fuck? Like, I wanted it to break down. It finally did break down here a little bit. I wanted to get see 488, but after this move here, like this, I don't know, man. I was just like not looking at the right time. Because this, I mean, this honestly, this 606, which I did try 606 once. I alerted it, remember? And like, I think we got wiped like somewhere. I think it was like right here, or something right here. 607, and then it goes up to 28. Yeah. And it's like this should have been the play all the way down to here. That would have been about 100 points. And then like you try the reentry here, it doesn't get you. It hits 602, drops, comes back, breaks it above again. But after that, pretty much from like 8 o'clock on, like the 607 short, 60 like 602 area was great, all the way down. And then sure enough, somehow it went all the way back up and then back down again. Like yeah, so that's what I was saying last night. I mean, the PA was kind of all over the place, but if you're on like the outside, like the top or the bottom, you're fine. But it's like I don't know. I just had doubts that it was gonna like traverse this range over and over and over and over again, and like because we saw a pretty steady move down. I don't know. I thought we were gonna get continuation. I think, and it was really only a 50-point range, I guess, which is totally within NQ's ability here. But yeah, so I just had my doubts. Like I kept trying to, I kept doing the same sort of thing that I was doing like a couple of weeks ago, like trying to play the continuation. Like we got down here, you know, 530. I tried to short this, killed, right? And then maybe I would try to long that, like up here, but I don't know. I didn't really do that. I just kind of like, man, at this point I was done, but down about 500 on this account. So I need to like, we'll see. But if I'm not gonna trade a whole bunch today, man, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna like, if we're losing, I ain't gonna just keep losing. So fuck it. I don't really know what. I mean, and then yesterday it was just frustrating. And then of course you get to like the near misses. Man, there was like 2 or 3 100-point moves, or like, and like when I kind of stop alerting sometimes, because if I'm losing, then I kind of lose confidence a little bit, so I don't want to put it out there. But then it's like it sucks, because I mean, and I don't want to. I don't want to alert too much either, because there's like way too many trades. Because I don't want to encourage that. It's not good behavior to trade a lot. So I shouldn't be doing it either. But so the thing is, I should alert what I trade, but I shouldn't be trading a lot, you know. But it's like that I hit a couple on my own, and I'm like, okay, all right, I got this. But again, each trade is independent of the last trade, and it doesn't matter. So it's like, it doesn't matter. And then I alert one, and I freaking get another L on the board. And I'm like, dang, man. You know what's funny is, well, Sam, like when I went to the gym yesterday, I put an order at 7:30, 7:20, and 7:10, just one contract, and I left. I left the house, right? All with a 50-point take profit. And while I was gone, it literally hit 730 once the first time for 50 points. It went to like 840 or something. And then it came back down, hit 820 for like 50 points, and then hit 810 for like 50. So I ended up green on this account yesterday by like $85, but now I'm down at 500 again. But I just left the house. I didn't mention those because like I don't know, I like put them there, and I was like whatever. But it was kind of funny that I like traded better when I wasn't even paying attention. it's like it's like you know Kyle, just get out of the way, dude. Just don't even get in the way. Just set your orders. I guess I don't know. I don't know what happened. Kind of see what happens here, but yeah, let's see. Like I want to see. Yeah, see like this. Okay, so 730 hit. I think it was like 731. Hit that 50 points. I think this was not at the gym. Came back down. So I had okay. So I had an order at 720, and then 710 also. So there was like two contracts on that, and then so that hit. So it's like boom, you know, and then boom. I don't know. That's just crazy. And then okay. And then Sam, I had a gold order. I know this is all like shoulda, woulda, coulda kind of shit, but like um, at the end of the market. So I had a gold order open. I closed it, and I didn't say anything about it either. But um, at like 192 was this right here? 192. Literally 192.1 is the order that I canceled at the end of the market. Power hour. Remember how I was trying to catch like 706 or 606 or 706 or whatever it was at the end of the market? And we kept getting missed. So I kept moving it down, and then we didn't get a move. We got like 717 or something like that. But I had this order over here. I canceled it before power up, like before this happened, but I was like right to the tick, dude. And that was one I put when I went to the gym also. I didn't even, I don't know. I swear, maybe it was like 90. It was just right here to the freaking tick though. And or I think it was 93. 92.3, yeah. I'll look with that one. Like 3 points. So the point is, I don't know. You got to sometimes, just take a step back, be mechanical, play your edge without reservation or hesitation, but don't play it too much. You don't need to, I mean, you don't need to take everyone. I mean, because, there's like the law of big numbers, right? Hey, Carl, law of big numbers. Like things like level out or the results get better with larger numbers, right? It, so like the more trades you take, sure, but I think it takes an emotional toll. I think it's stressful. I think it's like, and then I think you start getting like weird about it, not necessarily like being clear headed and stuff. So, but if you take a step back, just play your edge. But this was like, this is honestly like a weird kind of move right here, about 100 points or 200, almost 200 points, right? In like an hour. I don't know what for, but I don't know, guys. Maybe we should try. 905 short would have been, but possibly, but we'll see. If it comes all the way back down like 812, that's pretty dang far. Try something 842, 826, but gonna just sit tight for a moment. What did I say about gold? Oh, but no, was I not gonna put an order here? I think I got distracted. Speaking of 192, duh. Why didn't I? Well, I swear I was just gonna put an order in gold right here, and then I got distracted. We're gonna get it, Sam. Don't worry. You stay on track. Goes like full circle, right? I just don't lose your cool. Manage your risk. Don't blow your accounts. Carol, what's up with you, man? How are you doing? Did you take these longs? Dude, it is. Yeah, all about emotions. No, you working? No, dude. 910. I'm glad we had short 905. Maybe that would have worked. I don't know. We'll see what this guy's doing. Oh, I was talking about it, I think, and then I was like, I don't remember what I said. Something about like an M pattern or something, but now I'm not even seeing it. Oh, yeah. So yeah, I don't know. So if I would have done 91, that's almost a point difference. So I doubt we would have got filled here. I kind of gotta get. I mean, I've been going to the gym late, been having work to do. Oh, that sucks, Carol. Yeah. Good job. So you took all my money. 857. Oh, dude, I think I tried to get in 857 a few times last night. Oh no, it was like that was five. Uh, right here, 857. Oh, like right here. Oh, dude, I like 857 actually a lot. Like I gotta mark down 857. Yeah, that was good. Wow, that was good. I mean that. What you? How you did a? So it went down. Okay. You got this 842. You got a good short there, yeah. 857. You damn near got 100 points, huh? Nice. Gold. Oh, dude, I see that. Wow. 212. Oh, right here? No. Over here somewhere? No. Oh, right here. Wow. That's interesting. So how the hell? I don't know. I mean, that I actually honestly don't have anything up here, but like, I was interested in entry. I mean, so what was that? Just like did you play like a stop, sell stop or something? Yeah, a little bit. You're hard to read, Carol. I don't know. Just kidding. Not touching funded, so we'll be patient today. Okay, hold on. Yeah, good. I lost my. You know what I did yesterday? I'm so mad. Like I got mixed up. I traded this funded on accident, and I ended up like almost. It's got like basically $90 left on it because I took a payout on it. My top step is locked in. I could take a payout on that now. Yesterday, after yesterday. Um. Oh no, last night I traded it a little bit, but I was being stupid, man. It was a moron. So, but I finally locked it. Like sitting there, like I hate it when I feel like I need to like trade, even though I don't. You know, like oh, I need to get the money, or I need to just get 100 or more dollars, or I need to like do this or that or whatever. It's so stupid. It's like you don't need to do anything. You what you need to do is you know not trade, probably walk away, come back later. That's what you need to do. Not fucking sit there and. 'Cause I was just like, it probably took me like an hour, but I was just like going for like 150 bucks and up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. I'm like, oh my God, oh my God. And then I finally got it. I'm like, God, that took way too fucking long. And then you got the trades where like if you would have held it a little longer, because you get the trades where you get burned. And then so you want to like just take profit on your other trades because you think you're gonna get burned again, like go back to break even or it's gonna stop you out or whatever. So then you take the money and then it hits your target. And it's like, man, like if I would have just sat tight. Later, Carol. Goodbye. Study. What's she studying? I wonder. All right, Sam. Maybe we should get in and get something, huh? Maybe I need to trade. 198. I don't know if I need to trade. I don't like 198 though. I should wait another 10 minutes. Patience, man. Patience. I'm gonna do that. Honestly, dude, 902. I can't believe we're 900, bro. It's so crazy that we were just like, damn it, trading all night. I mean, I thought we were gonna keep, I don't know, keep going. I wanted to see the 48, 488. Like, what are we doing? And I don't know. It seems like really confused right now. I could still kind of. That's 54. 733 was clean. So let's see. So really, like 800 maybe. Get this 1 hour to close. I think we could come down here. They do. So this is kind of. This is kind of bearish a little bit, but we need to get above like 212. I don't know. I swear this level wasn't here before. Maybe I'm tripping or something, but because Carol was talking about 212. I mean, she was in at 212. So that was pretty cool. I don't know. Okay, what did I say over here? What did I do? Came back down. 191. I don't know, man. If we're in a buy model here, 188. You think we're priming the pump? All right. Oh, what did I say? 88? I don't know, man. I'm honestly, you know what? Okay, there's 88. Let's go. Who else? A study buddy. Dude, anyways, man, I don't know, man. I'm being patient. I'm being patient. I need to like get back on track, man. To be honest, and the thing is, I'm gonna be honest, man. I ain't gonna try to like hide it or nothing, and like, dude, I hope. I mean, I understand you probably we took a couple losses last night, right? And just try not to sweat it. And like, I don't know. We got to trade. We got to trade to get it back, but we got to find good ones. And it's like there's been a reoccurring pattern. Like the last couple of weeks, it's like trying to do kind of the same thing. It's like what gets me this time. Trying to play the breakout or the breakdown in this range. It's like I just need to play the top of the bottom. So this, we didn't really have a short entry here. 84. I don't know what's going on here. We might try to long 178. Or maybe we're in a downtrend. I don't know. I'm looking for too much crap here. I'm going to try 178. I think I tried 178 last night, didn't I? Yeah, that was one alert that I put out there, and that shit, like, wrecked us too. So, I don't know. Maybe we do like 175. 183. Uh, we're chilling. So what did that do again over here? Right off 73 again. So we're stuck. 920. I don't know how I feel about the 75. Honestly, I mean, 78, I would want to try it again, but, you know, yeah, we missed this big old move up, dude. So, I'll see what's up. I'll be right back, all right? One second. Be back in like 2 minutes. You're funny. Okay. 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 That's good practice. Practice. Oops. Practice. Stay sharp. Hold on. Oh, dude, all this just flipped on me. Okay, so, dude, there's 178. Oh my God. All right. So 178. What was that? Dude, that sucks. I don't know, man. I had this stupid feeling that we should have just done 178. Buddy. All right, I'm cancel the gold trade though. I gotta step away for a second. I I'm sorry, Sam. I feel like I let you down, man. I just, dude, that was like we had 178 lined up. I know, man, but damn, dude, I would have been like, 12 points or something. Jesus, why didn't I take this? 178 because it just burned us last night, man. But it's like each trade is independent of each other, right? But all right, dude, give me one sec. I'll be back like 3 minutes, okay? I'm gonna leave this order open. I don't know if anything's gonna happen. I don't know if gold might keep going down, honestly, but that was a pretty damn. We would have done like 178.9 or something like that. We would have been just fine. Yeah, be right back. Say something, guys. All right, I'm gonna. All right, so what happened here? 191. Oh my god. I'm trying 84 long. I don't know. I'm just feeling really apprehensive about anything right now. So this is 874, 873. That was good. I mean, we're stuck in this range. I don't know if we're gonna break out or not. I mean, honestly, at 903. Try like a 911 short. I feel like we're gonna get burned though, dude. Um, yeah, dude, 178 was a dope entry. I wonder. Oops. Oh my god. Oh, and I love how it closes everything. I did not mean to do that, bro. I'm gonna put this back though, and I'm gonna do 12 again. I'll show you what I was trying to do. I only got 3 contracts this time. How do you? I wonder. Hey, check it out. Okay, that's working. This is my cash account, dude. I finally put enough money in it. So you know, I can't modify this order type. What you talking about, man? That's so dumb. Now I can modify it. Okay, I can't do it. I can't modify it. I guess apparently, well, I ain't gonna trade that with no stop loss. That's dumb. It's so weird. I can't get it stopped. Whatever. All right, so 188. Yeah, I don't know. We might keep going down. I don't know what I'm waiting for here, guys. We'll see. I'm gonna log out of this. Go back to TradeRate. Just be patient. Actually, it's longs at 92. Yeah, no, 92 should have been shorts. We'll see. This range is kind of like whatever. I don't know. I would like to got this done before open, but I don't know. We gotta see what's up. Oh, don't really? Dude, sounds cool. All right, so we did see a drop here. 188. Yeah. I don't know what we're really looking for over here on gold. Maybe like a excuse me, like a 68 long. Are there any news today? All right, so what's the move now? All right. Yeah, so dude, like, yeah, were you talking? So you were talking calls? Uh, 873. So 873 just went right back up. 20 points. Let me try short 180. Let me see if we can jump in at 180. Oh, I just had a miss there. Yeah, let's see. Well, we got 15 minutes till open. I'm gonna do one, and we want to see 70. Oh God. Is it gonna get us? God damn. Yeah, 183 was on the table. I mean, honestly, we should be above 0.14.6. 83 was a good entry. 83 was a much better entry. See that? Just don't reverse on us, man. Let's just keep going. I know you want to get like the 68. Come here. Damn, dude. Oh, what is it doing, man? Come on. Stopped us again. Okay. 183. All right. I'm going back to being patient because that was stupid. Honestly, 183. It didn't even listen to 80. Didn't care. I mean, it's still got to go down. It just took us out. Oh, I don't know. 1 minute looks kind of bullish, but what a joke, dude. What did that take us out? Literally by a fucking tick. Hey, that's good. I didn't change anything. I don't know. I gotta like probably reset my router and stuff. I feel like that's a bottleneck. I'll call my ISP because like I don't think I'm getting the speeds I should. I think I'm only getting like 4 gigs instead of 5, even though you're never gonna use like over a gig unless you got some kind of crazy data server or something. Um, but that sucks. So we were in at 80, then went to 88 or 78, 178.6. That's right, 178.6 was a level of ours. It's no longer on the board though, but that was interesting. So I don't know. We're gonna sit tight, wait till open. I still got this order open here. We've just been seeing this range. Maybe I'll try a short. I don't know if we're gonna go up or down, but I'd like to try a short maybe at 920. I'll do one at 920. But this is like we're just like I don't know what's going on. 920. I really want to see 920 to like freaking yeah. Let's just do that. Yeah, I'm just doing one. Right? I know. But it's like lost a few times last night. Lost once this morning already. And I'm trying to get through open. So if we get 100 points on this, that's all right. Or it could just pump straight up and open. But I'm hoping we get a little bit of a retracement. We want to see back down to here. Like that's what we want to see. It's like that move down to this 820 area, 826. I hope it doesn't stop at 826. I want it to pick us up at like 812 here. And although I mean it's kind of 800 is honestly the safest entry. So you get this J block here. You want to do the top at 825. It's riskier. 812 is better, and like 800 is a ticket. And Sam, what was that alert the other day? Like a couple days ago, I think it was like 795, maybe 795. Seems to ring a bell. I think that was pretty good. So 795, honestly, might be the freaking ticket. Why don't we just do that? I think I like missed this by a tick that one time. There we go, something like that. Wow. Okay, so gold decided to go down again. Yeah, still 184 wouldn't have been bad. All right, let's just see what happens. We got 8 minutes. 67. Gonna watch this low on gold. Honestly, like wish could have definitely taken a short here at like 83 or 84. Now we might come back up and see that 180 entry that we had. What was this? 111. 911. I mentioned 911 also as a potential entry. Once again, you got a J block up here. So you do the top, middle, or bottom. When you were looking to short, the bottom's going to be riskier. Middle's going to be a little safer. I'm expecting a pop, but I'm expecting it to come back down a little bit first. So I think we go kind of like this. That's why I'm trying to play short here if we can get in. If it straight pops, then we're gonna get wiped out. But I want to see it. I mean, come down to like 826 at least, and then if it does that, then we'll play the break here at like 900. Deal. And if we start going lower, maybe I'll get a break of try the 79, about 800 break to the downside. Some Mustang, but damn, these shorts right here would have been not bad. I mean, of course, I mean, we were in at 80, guys, and like, yeah, I'm down like 500 bucks. So we were in at 80, and we got stopped out at 84. Terrible, terrible, terrible. Happy hump day. Oh, it's Wednesday, huh? I think I got something going on today. I don't remember what it was. Oh, yeah. Nothing. Oh, wow. So it's coming all the way down, 168. So that was our target for our 80 short was 170. If we would have taken a better entry at 83, we would have been just fine. There we go. Let's break it down. So 911 would have been good. I was kind of hoping we touched this 920 again, and then we go down. But I want to see the move down at open. So I mean, if we're going down right now, I think that means that we're gonna pump too. Yeah, but that sucks. Yeah, I should have just done the 83 or 84. I got a lot of lines in the chart. There's a lot of plays to make, but it's like you got to pick which one at the right time. That's pretty much it. 795 might be too low. Really want to see this 826. Let's see what happens. All right, we got 3 minutes still open now. I don't know really what's gonna. I can't. I don't have any ideas what's gonna happen on gold. I mean, we're kind of bullish, but also kind of bearish. I mean, if we're under this, like this was an area that we needed to really clear. Get a good retest at 198. This 5200 area, but we're still kind of on an uptrend. We were watching the 168 level. Could see like 152 maybe, and then a bounce if it wants to keep going up. Things seem unusually like strong though for some reason. Actually, I don't know. It's kind of going both ways. It's like weak, strong, weak, strong. We have gone down. Oh, I mean, generally we've been on a downtrend. We've lost quite a bit, but then it seems to bounce back and then I don't know, go down again. So what? We lost about 1,000 points. Is that right? Yes, son, 1,000. Oops. Yeah, 1,000. So let's see. Oh, God damn it. I should have three. Yeah, so what's the deal? Oh, so 50, something like that. Something like that. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, 1 minute till showtime, guys. Should have put my order here. See, we had a couple. What did gold do? Gold just bounced. I gotta get zoomed in again here. So, okay. Stupid gold short, dude. 180, man. I ended up paying. Just a little bit of a wider stop or a better entry. Honestly, it's like always for me. It's always the better entry. 83 would have been better. 83 we would have survived, and we would have got like 13 points. Okay, here we go. Gold's not doing anything. There's the pump. So you wanted to see 820 though, at least. Oh shit! Can we cancel this? I'm gonna play the break though. If we get up there 920, like nine. Let's do 920. Yeah. I don't know. There's a okay 920. Come on. I'm gonna do a couple 50. I don't know if we're gonna get killed or what. Okay, we're in. Oh, okay. What's going on? We were up like 80 bucks. I'm taking one. I want to break even. Oh my god! Come on, man. What are we looking for? 65. Bro, we saw like what 30 points on that? Let's go. That's gonna get us, I think. We're at 915. Hold on, didn't I put an order at 920? That's weird. I think it's gonna go rocket. I can't look, son. What's up? Oh, good. I looked away for a moment. We just missed that. Let's see. Nine. All right. So I mean, we got a little bit of a bounce here. We could try this 902 again, but I don't know. Maybe like, hold on. I gotta move this. Well, I'm gonna cancel these. Get these out of the way. Honestly, I don't know. 890. Okay, son, that's good. So, we, what are you doing? Trying to lift weights? Okay. You got, yeah, dude. 902. So 902 just hit. I was hoping we get a little bit more. Um, Want to see 84 on gold? Son, if you're gonna be in here, you gotta be quiet. Okay, that's good too. That'll work your hips. Okay. Hey, 902. Maybe again. What do we do over here? 84.5. Yeah, so, okay. Well, I mean, MMQ still kind of little, seems a little on the fence, man, honestly. And I don't know if we got to break this 193 over here. I don't, he might be stronger. For weight ratio. Yeah, dude, I'm sorry. I totally should have jumped in on that 902. Damn. Yeah. Dang. That sucks. So let's see. I can still try. I don't know. I kind of like this. We'll see what happens on gold, but like an 88, like 86. Am I only in one here? Yeah, I'll do two. I don't know. We might have missed it. So 902 was pretty clean though, right here. Really clean for about 50 points. Let's see what gold does. Would like to have the stop under this 80 level, but I'm not going to do that. I mean, maybe we could do like an 82 entry if I can move it real quick. Wait, 83. Good boy. Go do your push-ups. Yeah, yeah. So that I don't know what to tell you. And 902 would have been money. So let's see. I don't know if it's gonna come back down. We could try 936. I just hate chasing all day. There we go. 919. Oh, I don't know. Could come back down and just destroy us here. There's 902 again. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Wow. So original entry is at 90. Damn. I don't know. I'm trying to be like, we're probably still gonna get filled and get wrecked here. Um, I don't know. I'm about ready to move this if I can. Let's go. 73, 74. What did that hit? There's 87. Jesus, man. All right. All right. We got filled on gold too. Son, please. Okay. Good. Good. Oh, you son of a. Wow. Okay. What the hell? Dude, that literally. Oh my God. So we came so close to trim. All right, son. Please. All right, there we go. We got the trim. Good. We got trim over there too. Moving this to break even. That was good. That was really good. And this, that was good. Perfect. Like we got what? About 25 points. What was the second? Oh, first one's only 15 and then 25. Okay. It's not that dramatic. I don't know. We'll see. We'll watch gold. Maybe we come up here 200. Want to see this 200 level? This sun. Yo, what is what? Okay, we'll work on that this morning. Listen to me. Listen to me. I can't have this going on right now. Do you understand? Okay. We'll talk about it. Damn. All right. So we saw what? Oh, let's see. Maybe we were being greedy here. About 10 points on gold. Didn't take it though. Um, what's MMQ doing? I'm looking. Maybe it's more downside. So that was a couple good plays there, guys. What? Yo, what's what? Basically, I was like, dude, when we missed that trim the first time, just by it barely. Oh, on the stream. Oh, like if I zoom out a little bit, you talking about all these? All these are levels. Yes. There you go. I just gonna. It's a barcode. Now I gotta zoom in again. All right. Anyways, what the hell just happened? Okay, so we took. I think we took an 82, took a 74 entry, and then an 83 on gold. 83 went for about 10 points. Now 70, 78.6. Watching that, um, it was interesting. I mean, it kind of looking like we want a short right here. You try a short at 912 or 911. I don't know. I'll say 920. I'm just trying one. Just one. This is a little riskier because I feel like we are kind of bullish, but if we do get a play to the downside, I'd like to see like the R&R here is pretty good, so it's worth it. So we want to see like 830 or 8 like 26. Really want to see 826, and 826 is 100% longable. So is 820. Like that, I might even put an order down there also. But that was a fairly good open, guys. I don't know. I think overall we've had one lot L and got a couple wins. So there's news at 9:45 Eastern time. I'm take it. I take it. Oh, we might have missed a short here. Sorry, there was a lot going on for a moment there. Do want to try like this 813 or no, no, no. Sorry, 795. Let's do 795, 796. So open with 797, and then what do we want? So that's a chin. All right, so short here is definitely a good idea. I mean, 902, 905, any of that would have worked. And what happened over here? So we had 178.6 as a level that we had on our previous chart. So that kind of hit also. Damn, it's looking like it wants to go. But I'm so sick of playing the middle of this range crap. So we're watching 826. 190. Wow, dude, that's went up like about 15 points. 9:45. So you saying we got news in 5 minutes? Okay. I'm not too uncomfortable with what we have on the board right now. If we get a spike down, unless it totally knives us, and I'm not super risk to the max here or anything like that. So to be honest, this sell limit is probably a bad idea. I'll see. Let's see, 78.6. We had good exits there. 901, 901. So maybe we left like 10 points on the table, something like that. Um, this getting stopped out of BE. I mean, after going 10 points, it was fine. I mean, we got wiped out after that, but hey, buddy, nice. You want holes in those? Then you can stick your thumbs through. Hmm? Well, we can work on that also, dude. So 43. Yeah. We're like a 904 short, probably. If anything, honestly, I think the short is gonna get smashed. We'll see what happens. I honestly, I mean, that I don't think there's a high chance of it coming up here and then going back down. What I think we're gonna see is a bounce, but maybe even off the 70 level. The 795, the 790 area might be too high. 86. What is it? Composite? Oh, PMI? Uh, all right. I'm gonna remove this. Sell. And honestly, we need like down here. There we go. Let's see. Oh, that was a nice dip. Do like a buy stop at 920 maybe. So that was an interesting little move down real quick. Um, Finally got the 826 area cleared. Hit 813. We had an order at 812 for a little while, but that would have missed us. It might come back down and just kill us here. 73 might be better. There's news, I guess, right now. I mean, that it just happened. 6:45. So was that the news scandal? I guess that was the news scandal. Okay, not too terrible. All right, if we get a break on this 93 over here on gold, I'm gonna play that. Looking for here is if we get another break of this 920. But that was the news wick. That was like a 20-point little jump. Let's clear that 80 26 level. So what? One says 10 a.m. and the other one says 9:45. Oh, ISM Services Index. It's two different things. I'm not gonna do a buy stop. I want to do break and retest here. Okay. So I canceled the buy stop. I was because what I was hoping for was like a flash candle, right? Down and then up, just to go right through 920 and keep going. See, but literally that would have just tapped us. Probably stopped us. What we're looking for is a break up and then obviously break through and then come back down and test it. Or we just maybe should have shorted it. What did we have? We had a short up here, didn't we? I think I had a short at 820 or 911. 911 was it? Yeah. Oh, so you never know, man. I guess that. What happened to gold, bro? Wow. Okay, I didn't see that coming. 20 points to the downside. It's a little weird. So our 911 short, we'd be up, I don't know, 40 points or something like that. Not a ton. We would have saw 50 though, I think. 40. Yeah, 40. Never mind. Wow. Okay, so gold move. Um, I would almost just short this low here, but I'm afraid it's going to go back above it. There's a 920. What the hell are we doing here? So 9. All right. So we did get a bit of a breakout on gold. This 967 might be a viable short. Um, but I'm honestly going to do like 970 if I do it. Or 969, something like that. Wow. So MAQ came all the way back down. I don't know why this stupid thing is moving. That was interesting. Yeah. I ain't playing this range, man. If we get a solid break above 920, I'm all in. Under 800, I'm all in too. Looking to play the continuation here though on gold probably, but this is interesting. So we didn't quite get. I don't know where gold's going though, guys. Honestly, I mean we're not. There's a trend line here. It just tested the bottom of the trend line, so it's like totally. I think it might even be longable down here. I don't know. I ain't trying to be like a trend line trader no more, but or ever. So I'll take that long off the board. We'll see what happens. I mean, it's a little bit of a consolidation right here. That 52 inch would have been good for longs. I think we could come back up. Honestly, given gold's like tendency to do so, we got this. It's definitely going up. we're not really bullish or bearish until if we stay under this like 5160 area, but we're looking to short like 70 right here, so I don't know. I'm gonna probably log off here in about 10 minutes, guys, though. So try 52. I'm curious. I mean, 67 is not a bad short. It's right out this low. All right, so we're watching MAQ again for a break. It's just interesting. A lot of wicks up and down. Keep us right in this area here. All right, let's see if we get filled. To the 920.
Order filled.
All right, we're in. I got 2 and 922. Red again. Yeah, this might be bad. Talked about longing down here. We'll see. Maybe we get more. Maybe not. It'd be cool if this came back and got us. All right, saw 3 points. 3 points. If we hit 5, I'm going break even. There's 5. Okay.
Order filled.
Break even. Okay. We're in on MNQ. I'm gonna go to 36 here.
Order filled.
There we go. Got first trim MNQ. About 25 points, I think that was. I mean, we should honestly go break even over here, but I kind of don't want to. There we go. There's 10 points on gold, guys. I'm going to move that up a little bit. I don't know, honestly, if we're going to see 44 or not, but who knows? Frankly, you see like over here, MQ. Let's go. All right, let's go. Let's go. There's 12 points. 20 points again on MMQ. Never have GC up. 13 points gold. 15 points on gold. Let's go. This needs to be like, oh God, what do we have over here? No, guys, maybe we should lock it in. Oh, you're being greedy. Maybe not. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, MNQ's about to get dunked on. That's fine. Honestly, 902 is like the ticket. I should have moved that stop. Yes. Yeah, dude, I should have. I wanted to move my stop over here to 902, under 902 so bad. Like, so bad. Be mindful of this. I don't know. You might want to take money. There we go. There's 16 points. Yes. Sure. Okay. Yeah, you can. Okay. Damn, dude. Let's see if we can get back in at 911. I don't know. Might be down, 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 down. There we go. There you go. That's beautiful, dude. That's beautiful. Might want to take the money though. 20 points on gold. I ain't gonna like give up too much.
Order filled.
I did put a 911 on MQ. 44 is 44 is reasonable, guys. Man, that's good. Let's go. Give me this. Oh shit, no. What is this? 48? Oh, I'm really confused. Oh wait, 20, 70. So we need just taking 50. Let's just lock in 50 if we can get it. How's MQ doing? Crap. I'm about to take the 15 points. Yeah, dude, that was dope. Dude, it hit 20 points. I'm taking it. I'm
Order filled.
locking it in. It can still go. I mean, we're watching this 55 level here. I'm sick of shit going back to zero though. Honestly, 50 would have been a good trim. Yeah, just 20 points straight up. I don't know what you're reaching for this 44 level down here, but you can still see it. Um, maybe we're in on MQ still. That 902 should have moved the stop under that. We could be looking short here, but I don't know. No, felt good, man. Honestly, that was good. 20 points. We had a good trim on that. Wait, well, that was only one contract, actually. Oops. That's why it's always a good idea to kind of do two, just so you can get a trim. I would have felt better if we trimmed. Honestly, I forgot we didn't trim though. I don't know what MQ's doing.
Stop there.
Oh, we got stopped. Okay. What was that, dude? What a little wick right there. Jesus. Down to 80. Okay. So we did all right, guys. Got some back. I just gave a little bit back. Hold on. Why did I lose 50 bucks there? I don't know. There must have been some slippage or something. Hmm? Not yet, son. It's too early. It's too early. Stop it. Lucas, please. All right. So we're back up. Oh my God. What is that? Just the other news? Damn, man. What a what a bunch of crap that was. We got a double top. Okay, so we got wiped out. I mean, it was a pretty big wick that took us out here. Had some slippage, but then straight up, like crazy. So we're broke. I don't know. See if we get 920 again. Otherwise, I mean, if we get what happened over here in gold. So gold was definitely longable down here. Son, I need you to be quiet, please. Shut the door and stop yelling at Bentley. Damn. All right, 52. If we get above 68, though, I'm long in gold again. I'm gonna long it up, and then if we got to, I don't know. Kind of sucks that we missed this move over here, but I mean, it was a news candle. I mean, who knows, right? And it still could come down. But 936, we could try 936 would be risky. That would put us about 21. Stop. If we did like a 933, I don't know. It's still like kind of high, I think. But I like where that puts our stop. And honestly, want to see like this 25, 25. All right, let's see what happens on gold now. Probably should, maybe quit after that last one, but I don't know. Should we try to play the break? Oh, it's already hitting. I don't like that. Doji. I don't know. I like that. It's not. I mean, it's not looking like super bullish or nothing. So I don't have any water. Thirsty. That new 4 hour has no wick. Our MAQ doesn't. What is that? What does that tell you, base? Strong, right? MAQ strong. 61.
Order filled. Order filled. Stop
Oh,
filled.
I got wasted there. Okay. 920. Okay. Here it got ran. It's not 100%, but most of the time, they'll usually leave wickless bottom. Yeah. Here we got ran. So, well, that sucks. I mean, I was afraid that entry was kind of too high, but okay. Yeah, I'll end it here, guys, though. I think, I want to say Vinny or somebody's getting on. Um, get back another $60. Yeah. Vinny and Beer, or Vinny and Jay should be on here in a minute. Anyways, guys, thanks, man. Oh, I got you, basically. Yeah. Cheers. Thanks, guys. Everybody have a good day, huh? Later.